Welcome back. Now, Dragon works in much the same way as the desktop program. So as you have given Dragon access to the microphone on your mobile device, what you'll need to do is you'll need to click the red button, which will give you access to the Dragon engine. Before you do that, you may want to take a look at the menu and the options that you have. You'll notice that you have a link to other places to store your content. Then you have a settings button. That settings button will give you control over the app. In order to get back to dictation, you'll go back to the menu and then you'll click dictation. And what you'll do is and there's one more item that you'll want to take note of in the left-hand corner. You'll just note that you can begin typing wherever you want to, just as you would any other document. And of course, then once you are ready to begin dictating, you can then get rid of your screen. So what we're going to do now is we're going to click the red button, and then we're going to dictate a paragraph. There are a number of voices in business advice and consulting that you'll now hear about what companies need to do to market themselves. You'll hear them on business-related programming and television. You'll see their articles in magazines, and you'll read their columns in newspaper, period. The problem is that in many cases, much of this advice will be contradictory, period. Now, this content can be pasted into another application on your mobile device. What you'll need to do is to click this button on the right, and then your text is then on your clipboard, which you can cut and paste into another application. You can download your content. You can transfer it into Evernote, or you can place it on your mobile device. You can share your content either as an email document, an attachment, or just to share in any other application on your mobile device. So basically, you have the ability now to dictate the same documents that you are on your personal computer on your mobile device. If you need to know what you can actually say, what you'll need to do is to go to the middle menu, and you'll have all of the commands that are going to be available to you on your mobile device. There's also a connection point with the desktop program. If we go into our options area and we click Dragon Anywhere, we can then click Share My Words and Commands with Dragon Anywhere. And once you go through that process, you'll need to apply the settings to the desktop program. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.